Hello everyone. So today I welcome you all to another video of our linked list series, which is a part of our ongoing DSA playlist. So in this video we are going to look at the operation deletion in a doubly linked list. So in previous couple videos we saw what is a doubly linked list and basic insertion operation of a doubly linked list, right? So for the revision, let me tell you what is a doubly linked list. So doubly linked list is a basically two-way relationship, right? Suppose there is a node 10 which is pointing towards 20. So 20 would also be pointing towards 10. Now 20 would be pointing towards 30 and 30 would be pointing towards 20. 30 would be pointing towards 40, 40 would be pointing towards 30 and 40 will then be pointing towards null, right? And yeah, 10 is also pointing towards null. Yes. Okay. So this is what a doubly linked list look like. Now we have to delete the first element of our doubly linked list. Suppose this is a doubly linked list 10, 20, 30, 40. So after deleting the first element, that is 10, output should be 20, 30, 40. Now how to do that? What we can simply do is we can change head, which is currently here. We'll simply shift the head towards this, right? And we'll just delete this element. Okay, let's try and do this thing. Let's do one thing. We'll have cout deletion. Okay, we don't have a display function. I'll make a display function. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We're going to have delete big name. We did the same thing in the our singly linked list also. We made a delete v function where we passed on our head, right? And this is head, right? Okay, cool. Now what we are going to do is we are just simply going to have cout after deletion. We are going to have display head again. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's make our delete v function, right? Okay. Let's have node star head. Okay. I am saying if head is equal to null or head next is equal to null, what we are going to do, we are just simply going to return null. Alright, but now what we are going to do is we are going to have a node temp which will have the current head, and we are going to simply shift head towards next. Alright, and we are going to shift head previous to null. We are simply going to delete our temp. We are going to have return head. Okay. Now let's make a display function. Okay. We'll have a node char cur which is going to point to head, and while cur not equal to null, we're going to do two things. We're going to have cout cur data, and we are going to have and we are going to do cur is equal to cur next. Okay, and let's try and run this thing now. Okay, see, before deletion our linked list looked like 10, 20, 30, 40, and after deletion it's 20, 30, 40. Okay, that was the required output. Okay, cool. Now let's comment out this thing. Okay, let's okay, we'll do delete ending function. Okay, let me first of all write the things here. I'll tell you how to do it. Don't worry about it. Okay, we have delete E. Now let's see. So our array is like this. Yes. Okay. Now what I'm saying is we have to delete this element. How to do that? Remember in the singly linked list video, what we did was we to delete in order to delete the last element, what we do is we find the access to the second last element. Second last element would be, suppose the cur is our iterator, so cur next should be what? Null. That's how we'll reach here. Okay. Now then what we are going to do is we are just simply going to change its next to null, and we are going to delete this element. Okay. So let's try and do this thing. Okay. So our function name is node e. Now as I spoke earlier also, that if head is equal to null or head next is equal to null, we are going to return null. Otherwise what we are going to do is we are going to have a node star cur is equal to head. We are going to have a while loop where cur next is not equal to null. I'm going to have cur next. Alright. Now since we have a previous we have a previous pointer also, so let me clear it out a little bit. Yeah, okay. Yes, like this. Yeah. Currently I'm here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change current previous next towards null and just going to simply delete cur. That would work. Yes. Okay. So let's do that. I said I change cur's previous next is equal to null. I'm just simply going to delete our cur and I'm going to return head. Okay. Now let's try and run this code. See, before deletion it was 10, 20, 30, 40, and after deletion it's 10, 20, 30. Okay, that was what was required. So I guess that was all in this deletion and doubly linked list video, where we learned deletion in the beginning and deletion in the end. And that was all in a doubly linked list part. In the next video, we'll look at circular linked list, and after that we'll look at some of the interview questions on Geeks for Geeks or Lead Code, and that would complete your linked list. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and see you later.